Hello viewers, welcome to Danny's Parambariya Samayal. Today we are going to see how to make cone pizza or konitza. Konitza is nothing but a pizza in the shape of a cone. My kids love it when I make it at home. To make it into shape of a cone, we need cones. So let's see how to make cones. First, take a spoon of basin, add water to it and microwave this for 30 seconds. You will get a paste-like consistency. We are going to use this for making the cones. Take any cardboard box that you have at home. Remove off all the labels and the tapes that are in the cardboard box. Ready-made cones are available in the stores for making cone pizza. You can also buy them and use it for making cone pizza. Cut a rectangular shape from the cardboard box. Make sure that the piece that we cut out doesn't have any printing or ink on it. Now fold it into the shape of a cone as shown in the video. Apply the gram flour paste that we had made. Use it as a gum and paste the end. Do not use any synthetic glue as we are going to use it for baking and it should not get into our baking stuff. After gluing the edges together, hold it tightly for a couple of minutes so they don't come off and they get stuck to each other. Cut off the extra cone that is popping out and level the cone so that it should stand upright when placed on the ground without any support. Now we are going to cover the cardboard cone with aluminum foil. Place the cone on the foil and measure the height of the cone and cut the foil according to the height of the cone. Now cover the cone with the aluminum foil sheet that we have cut out as shown in the video. Tuck in any extra foil that we have into the cone. Now our cone is ready. Let's make pizza dough. Take a mixing bowl, add a cup of all-purpose flour to it, add a teaspoon of salt and add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Take a packet of instant yeast and add it to the mixing bowl. Now mix all the dry ingredients together. Add lukewarm water and mix it into a chapati dough consistency. Now we have to knead the dough for 10 to 15 minutes. This kneading helps in getting soft and fluffy pizza. After kneading, you can see that the dough has become very soft. Now sprinkle some dry flour and roll them into round shape. It should be of half an inch thickness. After rolling, apply olive oil on the surface. Now take a pizza cutter or a regular knife and cut the circle into 4 equal parts. That is, place a vertical line and then place a horizontal line. Take the cardboard cone that we have made and place the pointy edge to the center of the circle and fold the dough over it as shown in the video. Now press and secure the edges and join them together. As we have applied oil to the dough, it will prevent our dough sticking to the cardboard cone. If you want, you can also apply oil to the cardboard cone before covering it with the dough. Now apply oil again over the dough. This will prevent from our cone drying out while baking. We took 1 cup of all-purpose flour to make the dough. So for 1 cup of flour, we will get 4 cones. Make sure to secure the edges together. If you want, you can also use toothpicks to secure them. Our cones are ready to be baked. Preheat the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius and bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. And the baking time in a microwave is 3 to 5 minutes, and my microwave is of 1200 watts. Please check the watts of your microwave because the baking time depends on that. Our cones are baked nice and crisp and brown on the top, and wait till they cool down. Take a knife and insert it between the cardboard cone and the pizza cone and make sure that they are not stuck to each other. Now take out the cardboard cone gently without giving any pressure to the pizza cone. You can reuse these cardboard cones, so save it for the next time. take any store-bought pizza sauce and apply a coating of it into our cones. After applying the sauce, stuff it with shredded mozzarella cheese. Now add any toppings of your choice. I have taken different colors of capsicum here. Now again add a handful of shredded mozzarella cheese on the top. You can also make this as a fun activity for kids. Involve the kids while making the pizza. They will have so much fun making it together, especially in this lockdown period where we are isolated. Now bake these stuffed cones at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius for 5 to 8 minutes. And it took only about 1.5 minutes in my microwave. If you want to know the recipe of making a regular pizza, I will give the link to the video in my description box. Please check it out. Our cone pizza or conizza is ready. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Try this recipe at home as a family fun activity and let me know how did it go in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye friends.